Super recipe. Boiled potatoes. Grate the potato. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala, 1 teaspoon. Salt, 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes, ½ teaspoon. Turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon. Black salt, ½ teaspoon. Mix well. Mustard oil, ½ cup. Onion 2 medium, finely chopped. Fry until translucent. Subscribe. Like. Share. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon. Star anise. Add prepared potatoes mixture. Bunai fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir continuously. Bullied chickpeas, 500 grams. Soda, ½ teaspoon. Chicken powder, 1 tablespoon. Chickpeas boiled water to glass. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Slightly mash the chickpeas. Allspice garam masala, ½ teaspoon. Green chili. Dry fenugreek leaves, meathi. Serve hot with puri and paratha. Thanks for watching.